supply, blood, standard, refined, flat, crying, cry. Take a trip with me to the beauty supply, standard, refined, flat, crying. Fresh out the box, a bundle, 250 Rapunzel, make pennies a market share, plenty the feminists in me, don't bet no eye. Support the black business, no compromise. Lot of self say this is self-love, to braid my hair down and masquerade hers, because I just wanna be the love of my life, set aside my own standard and really demand hers. Silly and absurd, wearing a fur cap, wig hat, and then preach I love everything black. I know it's seen cap is cap, wig caps the track, sabotage, I'ma hold me back like new identity, same enemy. Me, when I believe I'm prettier with my weave, when I can see the forest behind the trees. I'll be free, I'll be free, I'll be free. Take a trip with me to the beauty supply, standard, refined, flat, crying, cry. Take a trip with me, supply, yo, lay me down by the edge of the river. Pray to God that my edges deliver a good look. Infantile baby hair make the men look. Eurocentric lookbook, residential forever. We live in a momentary lapse of judgment. Black concussion, asleep at the wheel. We trusted the plantation to drive us home. Hallelujah, idolize a white bitch while I rock a toupee. Cosplay new identity, same enemy. Me, when I believe I'm prettier with my weave. When I can see the forest behind the trees. I'll be free, I'll be free, I'll be free. No identity, same enemy. Me, when I believe I'm prettier with my weave. When I can see the forest behind the trees. I'll be free, I'll be free, I'll be free. Take a trip with me to the beauty supply, blood.